What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to fix Mario Kart crashing. With this method you'll be able to bypass Mario Kart, not making the app recognize that your device is jailbroken, which means you'll be able to use the app to play the game with no issues. So you might be wondering, yeah, this is just the same method as every other YouTuber. This is different, trust me. Alright, so first of all, if you're jailbroken, this is the issue. The game when you go in, it will crash. I will show you what I mean. So let me just go ahead and open Mario Kart. Alright, so as you can see here is Mario Kart, it's loading. Let's just give it a few seconds. As you can see, the game is loading right now, okay? You click to play it. You literally click to play it. Click to play it. Let me click the characters and I'm going to show you that it's actually going to crash. There you go, crash. Did you see? This is because it has recognized that my device has Cydia. That means my device is jailbroken. Okay, so how do I fix it? I know a very simple method to do it. So go to your Cydia, then you want to go to your sources, okay? I want you to add this source, the Riley's repo. I'll zoom in for you right here. So if you do not know how to add this, it's very simple. You want to click on edit, add, and I want you to enter the repo which you see on your screen right now. Alright, once you enter it, then you click on add source and it will add it. Once that is done and it has successfully added to your repos, as you can see right here, it will show Riley's repo. Go to the search and search for Liberty Lite, Liberty, and it will show Riley's repo. This is the correct one. Click on modify, install, and install. Let's just wait for this one to install the tweak on our devices. There you go, restart Springboard and done. Once that is done, it will quickly bring up your device. Go ahead and unlock it. Let's go now. This step, very, very important. Please, I ask you, please follow it properly. Don't be in a rush. If you want to fix this, you need to be patient. Alright, what I want you to do is go ahead and delete your Mario Kart. Delete it. The game knows that we have a jailbroken device. Delete it. Let it not understand anymore that our device is jailbroken. Now that you have deleted it, go to your app store and download Mario Kart once again. Very simply, Mario Kart. There we go. It's a free game. Download it. And there we go. It will download Mario Kart on our device. Give it a few seconds. It will download very quickly. And let's just wait for it to finish downloading. There we go, as you can see it has finished installing. Please don't open the app. I want you guys to go to settings, scroll down until you see Liberty. Click on Liberty. Alright, make sure that is first enabled. Then you want to go to the block jailbreak detection, go to M. There we go, Mario Kart, click on it. Now block the jailbreak detection for Mario Kart. Now let's go ahead and open Mario Kart. This is the trick. This will fool the game, think that you're not jailbroken. I will prove to you that this 100% works. So as you can see, next, let me go link it first. Continue. Select the person. Okay. And wait for it to load. Agree. Don't allow. I don't want any notifications. Let me download the update as well. This won't take too much time. I'm having a good Wi-Fi right now, so let's just wait a few seconds. This will be downloaded very quickly. So let's just give it a few more seconds for it to start. There we go. Now, you might be expecting me, yeah, you're going to click on it's going to crash. Nope. I'll show you that it's not going to crash. So click on the same thing. Click, click. Okay, there we go. It's working. Let it go to the race. I want to prove to you that it's actually working. That I'm not just making this for the sake of making it. I'm making this video to help you fix this issue so you can play this game on your devices. And there we go, it's loading in the game, it's working. I'm gonna even move the game around, wait for it to load first properly so you know that it's actually working, it's not gonna kick me off. And there we go. Just gonna wait for it, and there we go. It's working. I'm just proving you that it's actually working. It's not gonna kick me off. No chance this is gonna kick me off. This works. This method works right now. There you go, it's working. I'm backing out. And that's it guys with today's video. Please make sure to leave a like and as well subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Much more content dropping very soon. iAppleTuber here, signing off. Girls with their nails done.